This video demonstrates how to calculate roadway width using VRMesh. The process includes 4 steps: classification, meshing, segmentation, and measurement. First, classify the point cloud and convert the ground points into a mesh surface. This step separates the ground from vegetation and other objects. Next, segment the ground mesh into distinct regions. Then select the segmented roadway region. The complete boundary of the roadway is automatically extracted. After that, split the boundary into 2 separate edge lines, merging any disconnected curves if needed. Finally, calculate the roadway width along the 2 boundary lines. Because mesh-based segmentation accurately captures roadway edges, this method provides precise width measurements and helps identify the narrowest sections of the road.